Hi, I'm Dan Stahl, President of the Stahls Family Small Business Fund. And for the third time in 2021, I'm here with news that our Stahls Family Small Business Fund is growing with 5 new winners of the Pure Imagination Scholarship, totaling 15 of 21 winners in 2021. Each quarter, as we add new small business owners and entrepreneurs, we're even more inspired for what's to come in the heat printing industry. We are awarding 5 emerging business owners, all with a variety of backgrounds and experience from across the country, with an American-made A to Z heat press, heat printing materials, and a year of one-on-one coaching from our experts. Our past winners are diligently working to grow their businesses, and many have been extremely successful. And they are continually learning every day and are appreciative of the one-on-one coaching sessions and all the invaluable knowledge they obtain. And it's time to do it again and add to the family. So I am proud to announce our third quarter scholarship winners. First, we have Shane Hickey from Shane Hickey Creative, Brandon Blackman from Baller's World Order, Sierra Smack from Cute Creations by Sierra, Jessica Pretty from Daring's Deserved, and finally Tracy Williams from Stahls Curves. And here to introduce themselves are our third quarter scholarship winners.
Stahls team, my name is Brandon Blackman. I am the creator of the Baller's World Order. I am a t-shirt, apparel, and youth organization. I am a complete startup, starting from the bottom. But hey, that is okay because the tag of the BWO is the baller makes the brand. So let's get to work and build this brand. Winning this contest to me will be a huge feat, because to me it means being chosen and being backed by a top quality industry leader in Stahls, as well as having top-notch quality equipment. Teaching and coaching alone sinks my belief and my confidence further skyrocketing to the stars, and you can't ask nor have a better start.
Hello, my name is Sierra Smack, and I am the owner and founder of Cute Creations by Sierra. Cute Creations was birthed in 2018. We started by creating security door curtains for classroom door windows. This was to provide protection and safety for our students during intruder drills. Then I was asked to go ahead and create a Kindness Matters t-shirt. At that moment, I thought, Cute Creations could definitely be a one-stop shop for educators. So why should I win this scholarship? The first reason is I'm motivated, I am goal-oriented, I am teachable, and I am ready to partner with you. Another reason why I should win this scholarship is because I hear that you guys are giving 6 coaching sessions. Listen, just let me know the day and the time and I will be there, ready to soak up everything that you have to offer so I can expand my business. And the final reason, as I stated earlier, I want Cute Creations by Sierra to be a one-stop shop for our customers. And I believe that partnering with you will help expand my brand so that way I can make that dream a reality. So I want to go ahead and thank you for the opportunity, and I hope that you select me as one of your candidates for this scholarship. You and I together will be epic. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
Hi, my name is Jessica Pretty, and I was chosen as a finalist in the Stahls Family Small Business Fund Scholarship. I'm really grateful for this opportunity and can't wait to tell you why I think I should be chosen as one of the winners. I have always been creative my entire life, from doodling on my hands to the bottom of tests in school. My senior year of high school is actually in 4 separate art classes as well. And one of the things that has always stuck with me is a saying, dare to be different. Growing up as a redhead, I have always stood out in every sense of the way, and I do the same thing with my art. I try to bring a little difference to it, bring a little uniqueness to it. After high school, I kept up with just doodling and scrapbooks and stuff, and once the pandemic started, I decided to branch out a little bit and I seen this thing called resin crafting. So I looked it up. It seemed like a lot of fun, really unique way to express yourself. So I tried it and I actually fell in love with it so much that I decided to open a little Etsy shop to show off some of my little items that I've created. And it's actually been doing really well, and I've decided to put more heart and more passion into it. And that's when I had this idea to branch out, make it even bigger, add some merch, some custom apparel to my shop. So I decided to start doing a little research, seeing I would need a heat press. I, of course, want my apparel and my items, my products to be the best that they can be. And that's when I came across Stahl and the fact that they have this small business fund scholarship available. So I decided to enter because it's a great company and I would just love to be a part of their family.
Hi, my name is Shane Hickey. I'm a graphic designer from Churchville, Pennsylvania, about 40 minutes outside of Philadelphia. I work for a small creative agency, the McNeil Media Group, in Yardley, PA, and my job is to design anything from magazines, brochures, websites, to logos. For over the past 15 years, outside of the office, I've been the go-to guy for a lot of local sports teams that my kids have played for: baseball, soccer, basketball, lacrosse, you name it. If the kids needed a logo and a t-shirt, I've been designing them and working with local printers to get them done. Over the past year, I did a few other side jobs for fun, just to see if anybody would want to buy the tees, and surprisingly, a couple of them took off. The former president made a comment during a speech that bad things happen in Philadelphia, so I designed a piece, put it out on social media to friends and family, and it kind of blew up. I was getting requests left and right, and I was thinking, wow, wouldn't it be great if I could print these up on my own and take out the printer? I've heard of Stahls when I was designing soccer uniforms. My rep always gave me the options for choosing the fonts that you had, for designing the numbers. So I just happened to be looking and found this contest. So that's where we are. So I really appreciate being considered for this. I think it's something I'm good at and would like to see if I could possibly take it to the next level. Thanks for your time.
Hello, Stahls family. My name is Tracy Williams, and I am the owner and creative director of Stahls. I am super excited that I was selected as one of the finalists for the Stahls Family Pure Imagination Scholarship. And I hope that I am granted an opportunity to work with the Stahls team of experts that can mentor me from a passion project into a profitable business. Stahls originally started as a premium apparel reseller for full-figure women clothing. I decided to add a body positivity premium shirt to my product line, and once released, it became one of my most successful products. After my initial t-shirt release, I realized that sharing body positivity sentiments is my passion, especially since I'm also a full-figure woman. The reason I feel Stella Curves should win the Stahls Scholarship is because Stella Curves Luxury Shirts is a product line that focuses solely on creating shirts that empower plus-size women and spread the message to love the skin you're in, no matter your body shape or size.
We hope their stories inspire you to chase your business dreams and apply for a Pure Imagination Scholarship by visiting this website. And as the Stahls family has learned after almost a century in business, it is possible to turn a homegrown seed of an idea into a successful and rewarding business. With a Pure Imagination Scholarship, we would love to help that seed grow and flourish for you. So apply today.